What if I told you there is a platform quietly sending millions of free clicks to blogs, online stores, and businesses every single month? And most people are completely misusing it. Pinterest is not a social media platform, it is a visual search engine. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use it to drive consistent, compounding organic traffic to your business in 2026. I'm Ella, and this channel is about building real, lasting wealth through smart online strategy. Pinterest is one of the most underestimated traffic sources available to content creators and business owners today. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, where your content dies within 24 hours, a great Pinterest pin can drive traffic for months, sometimes years. That compounding effect is what makes it so powerful for building passive income streams. The single most important thing to understand about Pinterest is this: it is a search engine, not a social network. People do not go to Pinterest to see what their friends are doing. They go with intention to find ideas, solutions, and products. That means every piece of content you create for Pinterest has the potential to show up in front of someone who is actively searching for exactly what you offer. That is buyer intent traffic, and it is incredibly valuable. To get organic reach on Pinterest, you need to understand how the algorithm distributes content. Pinterest prioritizes fresh content, new pins added to the platform, not repins of old content. It ranks pins based on relevance to search queries, engagement signals like saves and clicks, and the quality of the source domain. Accounts that post consistently and use accurate keywords are systematically rewarded with more distribution. Step 1. Make sure you are using a Pinterest business account, not a personal one. Business accounts give you access to Pinterest analytics, the ability to claim your website, and rich pins, all of which significantly improve your organic reach. Your profile name should include your primary keyword. Your bio should clearly state who you help and how. And your profile image should be professional and consistent with your brand across all platforms. Keyword research is the foundation of Pinterest SEO. Start by typing your main topic into the Pinterest search bar and studying the autocomplete suggestions. Those are real searches people are making right now. Then look at the colored keyword bubbles that appear below the search bar. These are Pinterest's own category filters, and they show you the highest volume-related terms in your niche. Build your entire content strategy around the keywords you find here. Your board strategy matters more than most people realize. Each board acts as a category page on Pinterest, a collection the algorithm uses to understand what your account is about. Create boards with keyword-rich names, not cute or clever ones. A board called Money Tips for Women will rank. A board called My Favorite Things will not. Write detailed board descriptions using your target keywords naturally. Aim for 10 to 20 boards that collectively cover the full range of topics in your niche. Pin design is your click-through rate. Pinterest is a visual platform, and your pin needs to stop the scroll. Use a vertical format, 2.3 ratio, ideally 1000 by 1500 pixels. Include a bold text overlay that communicates the value of your content. Tell people exactly what they will learn or get. Use your brand colors consistently so your pins become recognizable in the feed. Keep it clean, readable, and high contrast. Tools like Canva make this straightforward even without design experience. Your pin title and description are your SEO copy. The title should lead with your primary keyword and communicate a clear benefit. The description should naturally incorporate 3 to 5 related keywords while reading like normal, helpful text. Do not keyword stuff. Pinterest's algorithm is sophisticated enough to penalize that. Think of your description as a brief preview that tells both the algorithm and the human reader exactly what they will find when they click through. Consistency is the single most reliable lever for Pinterest growth. The algorithm rewards accounts that post regularly. Aim for 5 to 10 fresh pins per day. And yes, that is achievable when you have a system. Use Pinterest's built-in scheduler or a tool like Tailwind to batch create and schedule your pins in advance. Spread your pins throughout the day rather than posting all at once. Consistency signals to Pinterest that you are an active, reliable content creator worth distributing. Idea pins, Pinterest's version of stories, are currently receiving significant algorithmic distribution bonuses. Unlike standard pins, idea pins cannot be linked to an external URL directly, but they build your follower count and brand awareness rapidly. Use them to share step-by-step tutorials, quick tips, or behind-the-scenes content. End each idea pin with a clear call to action, directing viewers to your profile or to search for your other pins. The follower growth compounds your standard pin reach over time. Rich pins automatically sync metadata from your website to your pins, making them more informative and professional in the feed. For blog content, article-rich pins pull your headline, author, and story description directly from your website. For product content, product-rich pins show real-time pricing and availability. To enable rich pins, you need to add open graph or schema markup to your website and then apply through Pinterest's validation tool. Once enabled, they apply to all pins linking to your domain. Seasonal and trending content is one of Pinterest's most powerful traffic amplifiers. Pinterest users plan ahead. They search for Christmas content in October, summer recipes in April, and back-to-school ideas in July. Create content that aligns with upcoming seasons and events at least 45 days in advance. Pinterest itself publishes a trends report called Pinterest Predicts each year, identifying the topics it expects to trend. Aligning your content calendar with that report puts you ahead of the curve before the search volume peaks. Pinterest Analytics tells you exactly what is working and what is not. The three metrics that matter most for organic traffic are outbound clicks, the number of people actually visiting your website, saves, which signal that your content is valuable enough to bookmark, and impressions, which tell you how widely Pinterest is distributing your pins. Review your analytics weekly. Double down on the formats, topics, and designs that drive outbound clicks. Kill or redesign the pins that are getting impressions but no clicks. Pinterest traffic is most valuable when you convert it into an asset you own, your email list. Every pin should ultimately lead to a page that captures email addresses, whether that is a blog post with an embedded opt-in form, a freebie landing page, or a content upgrade. Create dedicated lead magnet pins that specifically promote a free guide, checklist, or mini course in exchange for an email address. Pinterest users respond exceptionally well to educational freebies, and the conversion rates can be surprisingly high. Group boards, shared boards where multiple creators contribute pins, were once Pinterest's most powerful growth hack. Their direct reach has declined, but they remain useful for niche authority building and cross-promotion. More relevant today are collaborative boards within your own account, where you invite complementary creators to contribute. Pinterest is also testing a creator rewards program in select markets, worth monitoring as it may eventually offer direct monetization for organic reach. One of the highest leverage habits on Pinterest is split testing your pins. Create 2 or 3 different designs for the same piece of content. Vary the text overlay, the image or the color scheme, and post them at different times over a 2-week period. Compare the outbound click rates. Over time, you will build a clear picture of what your specific audience responds to. Most successful Pinterest accounts have identified a signature style that consistently outperforms everything else. The most common Pinterest mistakes that kill organic reach. Posting horizontally formatted images. Pinterest's algorithm actively suppresses non-vertical pins, using vague or clever board names instead of keyword-rich ones. Pinning in bursts rather than consistently. Linking pins to pages that have slow load times or poor mobile experiences. Pinterest monitors the post-click experience and deprioritizes accounts with high bounce rates. And the biggest mistake of all, treating Pinterest like Instagram and posting lifestyle content without a clear search intent. Here is your 90-day Pinterest organic traffic blueprint. In month 1, set up your business account, claim your website, enable rich pins, build 15 keyword-optimized boards, and create your first 30 pins. In month 2,
Establish a daily posting routine of 5 to 10 pins. Launch your first lead magnet pin and begin your seasonal content calendar. In month 3, analyze your top performing pins, create multiple design variations, and set up your email capture funnel. Pinterest results are not instant, but by month 3, if you follow this framework, you will see compounding growth that no ad budget can replicate. Pinterest is one of the few platforms where the work you do today keeps working for you for years. The pin you create this afternoon could be driving traffic to your business in 2028. That is the power of a search engine combined with a visual platform. If you are serious about building sustainable online income, this is a traffic source you cannot afford to ignore. Subscribe to Ella Wealth Community for more strategies that actually move the needle on your financial freedom. See you next week.